And this is a 3-channel gyro stabilized coaxial helicopter. So you've got your up, down, you've got your forward, your reverse, your spin left and right. It's got all plastic rotors, but they're really smooth. I'm really reminded of the old Hirobo coaxial helicopters, some of the first on the market that were just really smooth in the air. And the gyro stabilization really helps keep it nice and straight. So it's a lot of fun to fly. It's really good forward. It's really good in reverse too. It doesn't try and snake around on you. So definitely check this out if you get a chance. Let's see it in the air. You see it just hovers there. I mean, hands-free, that's just nice. As soon as I hit forward, it flies forward. I don't have to try and correct for it or anything. It's just really smooth. And I have to say, I love the Coast Guard Rescue chopper body on it. It's a really nice scale canopy. It looks really good. Very well sculpted, very strong. So that's the S111G. Picked it up from lighttake.com. When you have a chance, go check them out. It's a great site. It's an amazing helicopter. I really appreciate you checking out RC101 with the Dallas Flyer. Stay tuned for more fun aircraft videos.